In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Photoshop to do some simple facial retouching. So let's get right into it. So once you've got Photoshop loaded and you have your image imported and ready to go, we can begin with the facial retouching process. Now, we want to zoom into a point on our image and find the parts of the image that we want to do the facial retouching to. And once we've found these, we want to go over to the bar on the left of Photoshop and find the clone stamp tool. Select the clone stamp tool and we're going to decrease the size of the brush and then we'll reduce the hardness down to 0%. This is a really important part of the process because we want this to blend really nicely. When we go over the imperfections on the image, we want to make sure that it's blended and not harsh. So make sure the hardness is pulled all the way down to 0%. Now zoom into your image and holding Option on your keyboard will draw over a part of the image next to the imperfection. Release Option and then we'll just paint over the part of the image that we want to cover. So we'll just paint over this mark and as you can see that has perfectly covered that part of the image up. So that imperfection has now disappeared. And we can go through the entire image and we can do this for all of the parts of the image that we want to cover. So any spots, any marks, anything that you want to cover can be done by using the clone stamp tool. The clone stamp tool is a really easy and really fast way of doing facial retouching on your photos inside of Adobe Photoshop. And there you go, that is how you retouch your photos inside of Adobe Photoshop. And there you go, if you enjoyed watching this video then please do let me know in that comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and check out the previous video if you want to see more. See you on the next video.